Yeah, so for this song, it's just this kind God, another one of the 1 4 5 4. It's the same thing. It's 1 4 5 4. It's just prolonging over two beats, over two bars rather than one bar. You know. So you can always play the 1 with the 4 as well, okay? Then you go to the 4, the 5. You see? So you just, one, 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 1 4 4. Then you go to 5. 1 1 1 1 4 4. Then you go to 1 4 4 5 5 5 5 4 4 5. Then you go back to 1. That's just how you play it. But if you want to way how the bass player play in the song, I will do that after I do this easy version, okay? So I will do the easy version first, and I will do how the bass player in the song did it. That's the easy version of play, okay? The easy way. But the way the bass player in the song played it. That's how he played, okay? So 1 5 5 5 4 4 5. Then you go to do, mi, re, so. Do, mi, re, so. Do, mi, so, fa, so. Do, mi, re, so. Okay? Then you go to so, fa, so. Let me play it again. I'm getting myself confused now. So, fa, so. So that's how you play it. Do, mi, so, fa, so. Do, mi, re, so. So, fa, so. Then you just play anything that will, make it that'll make it sound better. Like, that's just how you do it. And when you practice these things, don't try to play exactly how the person plays in a song, okay? Listen to it, get inspiration from it, and then make your own, your own interpretation of it. Do not try to play the whole thing the person played, because then you will just try to be, scoring everything, and you make mistake, So that's it.